Go. Go get the parrot.
Squawk! Squawk!
Oh god, I'm already scared.
Come on in.
These birds don't like me. Ah, I told you.
Dude, they can't bite you. Come on in. They literally cannot bite you.
That one can.
No, that one doesn't bite.
That's a baby.
It's a baby. It won't bite you.
I'm scared. That one doesn't like. Where is it? Oh god. Oh god. Look at it. Look. Look.
Yeah, that one.
It's not funny. 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 It's not funny.
Yeah, scared them.
Dude, I got the ding-a-dang scared out of me.
Wow. That's amazing. He squats.
It's not funny.
Yeah, it is.
The only time I ever scream like that is when I really, really get scared.
Well,
That's Chance and that's Tanner.
you heard
He's
him
gonna be the
squat.
domestic monkey. He's gonna be aquatic shark.
You
I'm still the
heard him
reckless
scream,
wolf.
okay? Okay? Just want to say,
I'm taking my dip back.
you heard that scream here first.
I'm taking my jerky dip back.
Heard it here first, guys. But, no.
That's a joke. You had to be there.
Yeah.
You had to be there. Well, not there, but like listening to our conversation. You heard it here.
Flangers.
Say it, Chance. Say it.
You seen it here first. This isn't dip. It's beef jerky. I promise.
All right, guys, stay reckless.
Alright, ha ha.